Herbalife is a global manufacturer of nutrition, weight management, and skincare products headquartered in Los Angeles. Recently, Herbalife expanded to the East Coast with a brand new 792,600 square foot facility. Maintenance faced big challenges. They needed to comply with strict regulations despite having a new team, a new facility, and more than 1,640 assets to manage. Failing to comply risked shutdowns. Herbalife went on the hunt for an easy-to-use CMMS. That's when they turned to eMaint, a Fluke Reliability company. eMaint tailored a CMMS software package to Herbalife's needs, helping to build out PM tasks, an asset hierarchy, and spare parts. To prepare for audits, eMaint worked with Herbalife Quality Control to align Herbalife systems with FDA regulations. Herbalife successfully moved forward with its East Coast expansion, and Herbalife's new facility is ready to defend against stringent FDA and NSF audits without concern for compliance failures. Master maintenance with eMaint, the CMMS built for you.